everybody doing? Tired? You all had a good lunch? How come you're tired? You played too much during the lunch period?
Yeah.
You're still hungry? Tomorrow make your mommy make you some extra lunch, right? Good. So, everybody took out their science book?
Yes.
So for science today, I have some pictures in my hand. I'll give each and every one of you a picture, and I want you to tell me what you observe about these pictures. Look at them carefully, and you're going to tell me what you observe about these pictures, right? Deborah, what do you observe?
Yes, I observe there are different types of animals and pictures.
Different types of animals. Do you agree with her, class?
Yes.
Do you agree? Yes, there are different types. Yugita, let me hear what you observed.
Yes, I observed that it have mammals and amphibians.
It has mammal and amphibians. Very good. Very good. That's a very good observation. Yes. Ravina, let me hear you.
Yes, I observe it has fish and birds as well.
Fish and birds. That's all you observe? Those are good answers. But I'm looking for something specific. Let me hear you, Anissa.
They are vertebrates.
Mm-hmm.
Some of them live in the sea.
Yes. So you're telling me we have vertebrates here.
And some of them live in the sea.
Some live in the sea. Okay. She's very close to the answer. Very good, Sid. So today our topic is vertebrates and invertebrates. Okay? Let me put that on board. So anybody ever heard these words before? Yes. Anissa told me vertebrates, so therefore Anissa knows something about vertebrates. Anissa, what do you know about vertebrates? Come on.
Vertebrates are animals that live on the land.
Animals that live on land. Do you agree, class? You don't know? Okay. Well, I'll give you some definitions just now. So, at the end of this lesson, I expect all of you to tell me the definition for vertebrates and invertebrates, and I want you to be able to identify vertebrates and invertebrates given pictures. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. And my rules are, if you want to speak to me, if you have an answer, what do you do, class? Good. You raise your hand, I call on you, and then you stand and answer me. Is that clear? So, vertebrates and invertebrates, that is our topic. Look at the picture you have in your hand. Now that you know we are doing vertebrates and invertebrates, what do you notice about all these top pictures? Look at your picture. What do you notice about them? Can they stand? Can the worm get up and move about, like move up, straight up? No? And what you know about the bottom ones? They can move about, right? They can move up. You ever squished a worm before? I know many of you go fishing. You like to go under the mango trees, dig up all these worms to go fishing. You don't do that? Miss did that when I was a little girl. Y'all don't do that now? Or y'all on the tablets and the phones all day? So, yes, nobody never like squeeze a worm? No? Okay. So, my definition here is vertebrates are animals with backbone. What are vertebrates?
Animals
With backbone. And if I'm telling you vertebrates are animals with backbone, what do you think are invertebrates? Yes.
Animals without backbone.
Excellent. Vertebrates are animals without backbone. Give her a clap. Invertebrates, sorry. Invertebrates are animals without backbone. So we're saying vertebrates are animal with backbone and invertebrates are animal without backbone. So they're using this one thing, backbone, to differentiate, that is to show the difference with these two sets of animals. So what is, therefore the backbone plays an important role. You know where your backbone is?
Yes.
Ravina, where's your backbone?
Miss is at the back.
It's at the back. Everybody, let me see you feel your backbone. Come on, stretch those hands. Your backbone is there, right? Yukita, you look lazy. Okay, so we can all feel our backbone. So what is the importance of the backbone as we are talking about the backbone? Yes, Yukita.
It helps us to walk and stand straight.
It helps us to walk and stand straight. So in other words, we can say the backbone supports us, right? And another way to identify these vertebrates and invertebrates is to, I would say, vertebrates have skeleton. The invertebrates don't. They have no skeleton. Clear? Because the reason I asked you all if you ever squished a worm before, because in that way you would have seen there were no skeletal structure in the worm. That was all that is here. You see they have seashell, jellyfish, snails and so forth. They have no skeletal system, right? So you can also use that to differentiate for your better understanding, because sometimes you say, how would I know what have backbone and what don't? So in other words, you're looking for the ones that have skeletal, that's the vertebrates, and the one that don't have skeletal is the invertebrates. Very good, class. So give me some other examples. I want to hear from you. Anissa, give me an example of a vertebrate.
A dog, Miss?
A dog? Do you agree with her?
Yes.
Yes, because a dog has a skeleton, it has a backbone. So give her a clap, a dog. Deborah, give me an invertebrate.
Miss, invertebrate?
Mm-hmm.
A worm?
A worm? Yes, very good. Give her a clap. I said worm. So you have an understanding as to what vertebrates are and what invertebrates are. Am I clear?
Yes, Miss.
So if I'm to give you an exercise, you're telling me everybody getting it right.
Yes.
Yes? You can assure me that? Can you assure me that you're going to get it right?
Yes.
Yes, miss? Okay, well let's put those yes into practice. Right? I have an exercise for you. Any questions though? Anything you want to clear up? Any other animal you want to clear up with me before you do your exercise?
No. Yes.
No?
No.
Okay. So, I have an exercise. This is the exercise. It has an animal. It has whether it's a vertebrate or invertebrate. So you are gonna tick whether, if you know the cat is an invertebrate, you're gonna tick invertebrate next to the cat. Clear?
Yes.
So finish this for me. You have 1 minute to finish this. And since everybody told me they understand fully, then I don't expect anybody to get it wrong. Do you agree with me?
Yes,
Miss, finish.
Oh, that's fast. And you say getting through?
yes.
Okay. Anybody have any questions for me? So, everybody finished? Deborah, you got through?
Yes, Miss.
You finished?
Yes, miss.
Okay, let's work them together. Yukita, the cat is what? Vertebrate. Give her a clap. Come on, cheer out your cheers. Anissa, the spider is?
Invertebrate.
Invertebrate. Very good. Give her a clap. Nayasha, the fish is?
Vertebrate.
Vertebrate. Very good. Give her a clap. I have some very intelligent students. The snake, Ravina.
Vertebrate.
Vertebrate. Very good. Give her a clap. Butterfly, Deborah.
Invertebrate.
Invertebrate. Very good. I can see each and every one of have you got this concept? Yogita, the monkey. Vertebrate, very good, Ravina. The jellyfish.
Invertebrate.
Invertebrate, very good. The snail. Invertebrate, very good, Nyasha.
Vertebrate.
The family is vertebrate. And then we have the penguin is? The penguin is class together? Vertebrate. Very good. So everybody understand the concept of vertebrates and invertebrates?
Yes.
So when it comes in the revision, nobody's getting it wrong, right? So before I take my leave, I have a little poem for you based on vertebrates and invertebrates for you to remember a little better, right? And this poem, I will leave a copy with each and every one of you because we'll be doing it in our reading. So we are linking the subjects. So when you read now, you automatically remember your science work. See what I'm doing?
Yes.
Good. So Miss would read, some vertebrates and invertebrates. Some have bones to stand up tall. Others have no bones at all. Fish can swim and frogs can leap. Snakes slither and eagles sweep. Dogs can run and wag their tails. Their strong backbones never fail. Bees will buzz and worm will crawl. Octopuses have no bones at all. Spiders spin and crabs move wide. With shells and legs, they move with pride. Though they are different, big or small, there is space in nature for them all. Think you like it?
Yes.
Good. So Yogita, share this to the class for me, each and every one of you. You're going to learn that because you have to do individual reading for next class. And next class also, we will be looking at we're going to go in depth with the vertebrates and invertebrates, characters and so forth. So you're going to do a little revision for me. So next class, we'll have a discussion. Clear?
Yes, miss.
Good. So any questions for me?
No, miss.
So I'll put the work on the board and you'll copy in your book. Good?
Okay, miss.